In the town of Sunbeam, beneath skies so blue, lived Alfie, a young dreamer with ideas anew. One day by the river he found something bright, a shimmering map that glowed in the light. The map showed a rainbow that vanished long ago, said to grant wishes where colors all flow. Alfie's eyes sparkled wide. This is my chance, to find the lost colors and start a new dance. He called up his friends, Chloe and Lucas. Together they journey beyond the glen, each different and special, their spirits aligned. With hopes and adventures all perfectly timed, the path was not easy, with rocks in their way. But Alfie said, "Let's keep going, no time to delay." Chloe's quick thinking found bridges to cross, while Lucas's brave heart helped them not get lost. Through forests deep and valleys so wide, they worked hand in hand with courage and pride. When shadows grew long and night sky turned black, they used their bright lanterns to light up their track. Along came a riddle carved into an old stone. Only those who share will find the way home. Alfie smiled and said, "That's easy to do. Our friendship and teamwork will see us through." They laughed and they shared stories, hopes, and dreams, building a bond stronger than it seems. At last, the map led to a shimmering stream, where colors emerged like a magical dream. The rainbow appeared, glowing bold in the sky, a breathtaking arc, a wonderful sigh. They made their wishes, all kind and sincere, for love, hope, and joy to last through the year. Alfie learned that dreams need hard work and care, but with friends by your side, there's nothing to fear. Differences joined make the strongest of teams. Together you're stronger than all it seems. So children, be brave, chase the dreams that you seek. Work hard and be kind, be curious and meek. With teamwork and heart, your goals are in sight. You too can find your own rainbow's light.